Hi everyone, welcome to Data Science Alive. In this session, we will look how to handle the missing values. This is an intuition tutorial. If you know how to handle the missing value, please skip to the next video. There are three different types of strategies are used in the machine learning algorithms. One is mean, next one is median, and the third one is mode. So when we receive the raw data, it might have some missing values in it. If we have identified the missing values, then we need to replace the missing values either by using one of the three strategies. Now let's start from mean. So what is mean? Mean is all about the average. So when you have a data, please calculate the total sum of the data and divided by its number of values. This will give us a mean or average of that value. For example, now let's consider a data set 5 which has been repeated 5 times. So we need to calculate the mean of this particular data set. Formula for the mean of the data set is average divided by number of times. So the sum of these data set is 25. So we need to divide 25 by 5. This will give us an output of 5. Now the mean of this particular data set is 5. Now let's look into the next strategy, that is median. So for the median, we will consider data set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In here we have got 9 values. We are arranging them in a ascending order. After arranging them in ascending order, we need to find the middle value. So the middle value for this data set is 5. Hence the median of this particular data set is 5. Let's look into the next strategy, mode. The mode is all about the most frequent number repeated within the data set. Let's consider data set as 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. In this particular data set, you can find the most repeated value is 3. 3 is repeated thrice, 2 is repeated twice, 1 is repeated twice, and the number 4 is also repeated twice. Hence, we are considering 3 as a most repeated value, and the mode of this data set is 3. The last strategy is the advanced method using the algorithm. We can use algorithms like random forest or decision tree to replace the missing values. This is also another method of replacing the missing value using the algorithm, and it is one of the most advanced method. Whenever you are having a categorical variable, as a rule of thumb, please use mode as your strategy. This is because, let's consider a scenario male and female as a categorical variable. We will convert this categorical variable into a numerical data, and it will be represented either 1 and 2. In this scenario, if you are going to calculate the average, it will come as a 1.5, which is not going to help in our scenario. So always try to use mode whenever you are having a categorical variable. In this course, we will cover the first 3 strategies, mean, median and mode. For advanced method, please post your comments and I will share a separate video for it. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for any notification on our new videos. Thank you.